Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I did something really simple, but I added these little face stickers that I made myself last night. Super proud. I even made my daughter some little like butterfly ones for her Halloween costume. It's gonna be so cute. She's gonna be a butterfly queen. Super excited. So I did go ahead and use the Rebel in Red Shine Loud lipstick from NYX. I love these things. I think they're so cool. So a little story time for a second because we had an interesting night last night. So while my husband and I were making our plates for dinner, I had yelled for my daughter to come because her plate was ready. She needed to eat. Well, I turned to look to the living room and she was not in there. So we searched the whole house, could not find her anywhere. I started panicking really bad, so called the police. Police came, they had like every officer on duty on our side of town looking for my daughter. I went running around our block trying to find her, like I was just losing it. But they found her sleeping underneath all of our pillows in our bedroom. So I guess she had gone in there and hid and fell asleep. So yeah, it took about 20 minutes to find her. We found her. I am forever scarred, I feel. But yeah, so if you're a parent and you've ever had anything like that happen, definitely comment below and let me know because that was so fucking traumatizing. I'm gonna go ahead and jump in this video. If you'd like to see how I created today's look, then just keep watching. Alrighty guys, so that was it. I'm gonna go ahead and keep this outro short because I have a bunch of errands to run today. So if you enjoyed the video, be sure to like and subscribe so that you can see future videos I'll be posting multiple times a week here on my channel. If you'd like a video on how I made these little face stickers, definitely let me know because I can make one of those as well. You can do like any design, it's really cool. Again, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.